Hi guys. All right. So, I'm not gonna lie. I may have taken a little sneak peek at this. This is my BOXYCHARM Premium for January. Yeah, 2022. Oh, the registering of everything that just happened in my head. It's been a long day. But yeah, so wow. January, it's my first video of 2022. I can't believe it. And not for nothing, kind of can't believe this either. Let's get into it. Boxy did a pretty good job this month. I don't know about you guys, but I like my box. Let me know down below. Did you get your box yet? Do you like it? So we're going to just go in order, guys. I will do a try-on test. I was unable to last month. Lots going on. I've taped some videos. Whether they'll hit the YouTube page or not is undecided yet because it's a lot emotionally on me. So I'm trying to work through things, but also, you know, talk to you guys about it. I just don't know when they'll get up, but just know, you know, you guys are with me emotionally, and mentally, though you're not here with me physically, and eventually it'll probably, make its way out to you guys. But right now I'm just kind of going through the motions, and when I'm ready to, I'll release it. But this one's a good one. This one's a good one. All right, so the first thing I have in here, guys, is the Arthur, I want to say it is, Beauty Desert Sunset palette. So now, oh, a tarot card. Love. So we have another one of these. I think we got it from Ipsy, I want to say, which would make sense because now that's Boxy. It kind of looked like this as well. I'm sorry, I didn't even show you guys. This is the front, and this is the back. So this is what the inside, the outside looks like. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a prism style, like different sides that you're touching. I'm pretty sure I have a blue one of these or something, and I think we got it at Ipsy, I'm pretty sure. And I do remember liking this. First of all, where is the cover for this? But I do remember liking this brand because it does say that it doesn't have a, yep, they removed the mirror so that we're not contributing to more waste and it's more sustainable. So let's get a good look at these colors here. Love it. Excited to play with this. I've heard good things about this palette. And it looks like, I don't know, the pink looks weird, like something was dipped into it like a brush or something. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. But I will play with it one day soon. And we're going to jump into the next thing. Probably once I get both boxes in, I can sit and play with all the things I got. Then we'll play with it at that point. So that is $48. And it says 10 shades in Ultra Matte Shimmer and Duochrome with metallic finishes. Create gorgeously glowing looks. So the next thing I have in here is my choice. And this is the Kosas Air Brow Clear Lifting Treatment Gel. I believe it's supposed to just be like your ABH one where it sticks your brows up and allows you to fill them in. I have been enjoying that look, just that more natural look with natural strokes you can draw in afterward. My makeup has been on for about 17 hours, so please forgive me, guys. I will use this in that video as well. Just kind of wanted to get a quick unboxing going on. So that is $22, guys. And the next thing I have here is the second thing that I chose. And this is from FX, excuse me. This is the Custom Enhancer Palette. This is $42 and it is sealed. Of course it's sealed. Why wouldn't it be sealed? Oh, please. So I can get it open. Okay, finally, we got it. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Cover FX is known for really high quality makeup. They actually use it for movies and such. So let's see if I can cover it with it. So this is what it looks like. We have a pretty pink shade, a regular gold bronze shade, and then a more tan. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not sure where I left off, but the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette is $42. $42. The next thing I have in this box is I like this brand, the OYS Beauty. I think it's a serum. Okay, so it's secure skin gripping serum slash primer. Interesting. Okay, so it's a serum primer. I've never tried one of those before. It is $20. It says it balances, it brightens, it helps. I'm sorry, brighten skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine through the day. I'm gonna look this up because I'm not sure if that means maybe as a dry skin person, I shouldn't be using this. It does have niacinamide in it and AHAs. I use niacinamide and AHAs a lot, so hopefully I'll be able to use that. Stay tuned to when I do the full unboxing try on portion of it. And then the OYS Beauty is $20. This is the I almost said booty. The Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. This is $36. And from what I understand, you're supposed to have clean skin. Put this on your skin for 2 to 3 minutes, let it sit, and then rinse it off. Now, I'm not sure how much any type of mask actually can do within 2 to 3 minutes, but it actually might be better for me because as someone with dry skin, leaving a mask on that is like a pore refining mask could tend to strip my skin, making it even more dry. So we'll give it a try and I will let you guys know. And then Persona Cosmetics, again, I love that because we've been getting a lot of Persona Cosmetics and I really enjoy their stuff. I really had enjoyed their black liner from last time, and I actually have been going to that quite often. It's like the one I go to, it goes on so well, and it's really just like really dark and it doesn't budge, and it's this really smooth applying is what I'm trying to say. You know, you apply it and it's smooth. Okay. It was that simple, but I was having a hard time. Okay, so the Persona Cosmetics lip liner. Okay, it's a lip liner is $14. Let's take a look at her. Oh, sorry, the juice. I don't know if I said the bamboo mask was $36. All right, guys, so if this is any indication of what this color is going to be like, it does look like it's going to be a nude, darker brown, almost berry look. So I am not fully going to, like I said, try all this stuff on because I am exhausted. I want to go to bed, but I did want to open this, get this opened up, and then show you some things, and then we will do a full beat face with it as well. I know that I feel like everybody that I've seen's video that has gone up so far has pretty much gotten the exact same thing. So I'm sure you can check out somebody else's video and they'll be able to show you a full try on. And then stay with me, guys, because the very next box to come in should be either my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, or regular Boxy. Then I can do the full face makeup, and I'll have a little bit more time to play with things. On top of that, let me see, we've got a Tatcha blind bag coming, and I don't remember what month this is to know what else is coming. So I will see you guys on the next one, guys. Be safe out there. It's getting crazy. Take care of yourself. Make sure you're unpacking your emotions every day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.